If you want to add your own drawings to your design, then the tool section is the perfect function for you. In this video, we will take a look at this drawing function within Canva. Therefore, I would suggest that we remove the image and also the different text elements. So I click on it and afterwards I click on the remove button on my keyboard, or I can also click on the delete icon and afterwards all of these designs are deleted, one after the other. Just give me some more seconds and now we have a perfect white design. So if you want to start drawing, of course, you first have to click on Tools and now you can become very creative. You can click on the draw icon and now you will get different pens, so to say. A small pen, something to highlight certain areas. You also have the chance to remove your drawings and you can also adjust different settings. So in this case, the weight of your pen. Let's take a look at some examples. I select this pen, I will use blue and I will say, hey, I want 100% transparency. I want, in this case, this strength. And now I can start drawing. And yes, I have to say something and I want to be very honest with you. I'm not very good at drawing. So I will make it very easy. Just to give you an example, I would suggest we draw a simple smiley. I hope you can smile as well when it comes to my drawing skills. But okay. This is, for example, the second pen, and each pen has, well, its own way to use, so to say. You can also highlight something. So if you have different elements, if you have, for example, a text and you want to highlight something, you can also do it with this tool. Here you can also change the transparency, which is very important for a text marker. You can also use the weight once again. You can change the color. You can add different elements by clicking on it. Or instead, now it's up to you because you've already learned it. Yes, you can also add elements by clicking on elements and afterwards you have to use the shape section. Now let's get back to the tools. You can also add a note, so to say. For example, hello, this is the Canva course. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. And once again, a smiley. And at the same time, my name is also added to this paperclip. We can also add text elements, but I would suggest to do it with the text section. And if you want, you can also add some kind of tables. And there, for example, you can click on border and change different settings. You can also draw something into this border. And by the way, you can also zoom in into your documents with this sidebar right here. Zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Now you can, for example, write down something like, give me a second, table 1 or column 1 or whatsoever. And I know I'm not very good at writing on a computer, but okay. And then you can, for example, fill this table in the different columns according to your needs. I hope you are more creative and have more skills when it comes to drawing, but at least I could show you how to use this tool within Canva.